like
Elon Musk का Tarzan भाई. It's amazing.
Back seat पे देखो.
Look at him. He's not even worried. He's so confident about the car.
He's used
like
to it, dude.
Doing his phone.
What's bioweapon defense?
So that's like a purified mode, which is like defense mode air purifier, like
Oh.
bioweapon. So even if like poisonous air is there, some gas leak has happened, like Bhopal tragedy. So if you're sitting in this car, if you turn that on, you will be safe inside the car.
So basically, this is the car for Delhi.
ये नया टेस्ला न्यू टेस्ला क्या बोलते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी
It's all about trust.
ट्रस्ट चलो चले
Chalo,
चल यश को मिलते
let's hear.
बाय द वे गाइस हम लोग की शादी हो गई है मेरे और अनिकेत की यश
But,
यश इज सिंगल इफ एनीबॉडी इज
हमारी
इंटरेस्टेड
शादी हुई है, but हमारी बीवी उसे.
यश इज सिंगल सो यू कैन इफ अगर किसी को इफ somebody find somebody good enough for यश प्लीज comment below. He also has a dog and see एकदम smooth kaula.
And he likes kids as well. As in, he wants kids.
Like that.
As in he
like
wants
that.
kids.
Not like that, like that.
kids like Chacha Nehru.
Not like Jeffrey.
I've seen.
Breakfast done. अभी अपन जाएंगे Tesla and we'll see how they, what happens.
The fourth guy you see, the new face, is Gaurav.
Gaurav.
Hi Gaurav. Hi Gaurav. Hi बोला. Hi. ये 3 बार क्यों बोला भाई?
So Gaurav, you can follow him on Instagram. His Instagram handle is BOKA14.
Or you can hashtag Mamta Didi, please let me shoot in Kolkata. You will find it there. मैंने कभी ये मॉल इतना खाली नहीं देखा है.
Fuck bro, robot मस्त है. I wish it's
working.
Yeah. उसको भी बहुत सवाई टेस्ट ड्राइव मिलेगा.
First model Y delivery India. हैं?
Bro, it
अच्छा.
looks like crap.
It looks very
It's like an egg, bro.
boxy.
It looks like a tampon.
Yeah.
Actually.
That's it. We just went and saw the Tesla in the showroom. There's this guy in the black shirt always. यार उसने क्या explain किया है गाड़ी and मतलब whatever I used to think about the car, now my perception has changed.
It's impressive. I mean, he gave us downloads about the car. He literally told us that cars, the moonroof could hold up to 9 tons.
9 tons.
That means literally a truck can fall into it and
Yeah, all
there's
these.
a chance of you
ये
being
सब जो
safe.
टाटा वगैरह दिखाना ना पंच पे ट्रक खड़ा है ये सब खड़ा है. I mean,
This is the real deal.
and that is standing on metal. This is standing on glass.
Glass.
It's crazy. But यार very I think वो उसका जो body form है that can be a little better.
Better.
But
But I think the body form is for a reason. I think the shape or something is
हाँ
complimented.
कुछ तो रहेगा मतलब कुछ
Another
तो
fun fact: the car getting made in under 7 seconds was
रहेगा. वो
crazy.
क्या था 37 seconds.
37 seconds, the whole car gets manufactured. I mean, from
मतलब
scratch.
every time they make a car, they put a car assembly line पे तो वो 37 seconds में एक कार बाहर निकलता है. मतलब just imagine क्या level पे इन लोग का automation और tech
Yeah.
है.
And they are assuring you that if you buy the car within 7 days, if your payment is done, the car is with you.
हाँ वो तो चल
is crazy.
I understand but source 37 seconds क्या होता है?
Exactly, bro.
जितना अपन बात कर रहे हैं उसमें I think
37 seconds is basically a person takes to change a tire in a tire shop.
more than that dude. 37 seconds is चाय नहीं बनता इतने में यार जितने में तेरा टेस्ला बन के रेडी होता है.
I think to enter my car, it takes me 37 seconds.
बट सही था यार जैसे उसने समझा वगैरह इट्स अमेजिंग.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा है इनका सिक्योरिटी सो ही सेइंग ही कांट कम इन द वीडियो व्हिच वी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं
Yeah.
दिखाएंगे उसको. बट उसने बोला कि ही विल अलाउ अस टू ड्राइव तो वो मज़ा आएगा. ही विल बी आल्सो इन द कार पर उसको दिखाएंगे नहीं यार. बट बहुत सही था यार मतलब उनका वो बॉट भी है वहाँ पर अभी फंक्शनल नहीं है बट आई एम श्योर ही सेड आफ्टर सम टाइम इट विल बी फंक्शनल. The pricing is 61 lakhs starting and it goes
But Ranjan, I
Worth it.
think so the price could drop soon. Given
क्यों?
that the America deal is coming up now,
देखते
there is a chance the price could drop.
हैं.
And
कितना गिरेगा 10-12 लाख गिरेगा.
10-12 lakh गिरेगा plus EV है, you might get a subsidy on that. So there is a chance. this car
सब्सिडी
could
है
get-
ऑलरेडी तो if you have an EV you can claim 1.5 lakh rupees tax deduction.
That's even
वो है, but वो तो-
again, and then they told us that if for 3 years there is no service,
service.
there's no ownership cost, there's nothing, literally nothing.
अरे but बहुत मतलब some of the features he said maybe we have forgotten also
Forgotten.
but all of the features he
Another
said
one I remember that the battery plate is basically the same which is used on the SpaceX rocket.
SpaceX rocket.
It's,
तो
it's
अगर
military grade, it's aeronautical grade.
वो घिसा भी तो भी कुछ होगा नहीं है मतलब जैसे दूसरे कार्ड्स में होता
जो
है.
एस्ट्रॉइड संभाल सकता है वो बॉम्बे
हाँ,
का
वो
रोड तो
भी।
संभाल ही सकता है.
Space great is the word. And the showroom is also in a very nice place, no? मतलब very you get enough space to come and see the car at
True.
peace. I just hope he was saying that fast chargers they are putting in Thane, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and all
car
of that.
looks amazing. The car is premium from inside, super premium. Now it's how it. Main question is how it drives.
मेरे को सिर्फ how it drives and मेरे को सिर्फ वो है कि इसका shape थोड़ा सा more sportier होता तो maybe it would have been.
ठीक है, the space shape would be for a reason.
But I'm impressed यार, मेरे को बहुत अभी गाड़ी चलाने मिलेगा तो nothing like.
True.
Let's see. है ना? चल we'll crop it here. So the Tesla people have been very kind. We are going to get a test drive and पहले जाते वक्त यश चलाएगा फिर आते वक्त मैं
So we'll
चलाऊंगा.
give you
और
a
फिर-
review right now, then we'll give you a raw review later.
Raw review we'll tell you once we sit back in I-20. चल, let's go. अपन पीछे ही बैठते हैं. What song is that?
Daft Punk.
क्या है? What is the lyric?
Get lucky.
अबे गा के बताना साले.
We've come too far, took you on.
Dude, you have such a feminine voice.
Thanks.
matcha tea. और पी साले. कुछ ऐसा उसमें gizmo type.
There is nothing. There's no gear shift. There's nothing. There's no
हाँ,
AC.
तो-
There's nothing. There's no button.
Boring है ना? Sort
Boring
of.
तो है sort of. अपना फोन चार्ज कर लेता हूँ जब तक इधर.
मैं भी वही कर रहा था. but
क्या पता.
Isn't it very minimal? I love the
Very
minimal
minimal.
part.
I don't actually. I liked my cars to have buttons and
हाँ
everything.
यार थोड़ा सा उसमें ड्रामा होना चाहिए वरना क्या है.
Yeah.
It's very dull.
Everyone can have opinions, but yeah.
You'll get sort of bored कि यार क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है.
Now I want to see what else it can do.
Hey bro, if I can sit here, the car is driving itself, I can have a drink or even smoke. I don't mind doing it.
Are you
Why
recording
do you
all
think
this?
Sanjay?
Yes,
Why do you
I
think
am.
Sanjay Dutt has bought his Cybertruck?
अरे वो I'm sure they have just done a publicity stunt.
No, no, he's bought it for reasons.
Bored.
For
Reasons.
reasons. Always, do we also have to put seat belts behind?
Yes.
Otherwise,
Down now.
Okay.
तो
Got it.
सबसे रिमोट सिटी कौन सा है जहाँ पर आपने बेचा है इस शोरूम से?
जोधपुर में बेचा है, वेस्ट बंगाल में दिया है, तेलंगाना.
यहाँ से गया है गाड़ी?
यहाँ से.
अरे वाह, तो वहाँ पर शोरूम नहीं है अभी? अच्छा.
Steering is fine.
Yeah, steering is fine. Okay, it's still on beta auto shift.
Yeah. So you just press the brake. It went to drive.
Yeah.
Now you just accelerate.
यश और बताते रहे कैसे लग रहा है देखो.
It is smooth. I mean, I've seen EVs where you have to have a really good control on your foot. Like if you have a heavy foot like me, but it's
Ah.
pretty okay. I think it. Is there some kind of sensor which detects that too? Is there some kind of sensor which detects the weight of my foot or how
It is like a regular pressure.
Regular pressure? Okay, because
नहीं जैसे
I feel like
if when you drive a Tata
Okay,
Nexon
yeah.
and all ना.
it's auto braking, bro.
फट से
So
खींचता है.
so Ranjan. So I'm
Ah.
driving. Okay, I'm not putting my foot on the brake.
Ah.
I'm just leaving.
Oh.
That's pretty
So
cool.
this you can reduce also.
पर यश तेरे को वो
How to put my
confidence
indicators,
आ
bro?
रहा है देखो.
On the right side, left side, and take a right, left.
देखो कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है when you leave the accelerator कि हाँ गाड़ी रुक जाएगा.
Yes, you will drive it to understand. It's actually you have that confidence, bro.
Nice. पीछे तो it's quite nice यार.
It's a smooth drive.
हाँ.
Left again.
वाओ यार क्या सही है. वो देखना सब कुछ दिखा रहा है प्रॉपर्ली.
Yeah.
What car. पर ये सब see there's a guy standing there it's showing. Lovely.
Now's the real test. Yeah, it's perfect, bro.
The bridge.
Nice. It's catching everything almost. It got the jeep अपने पीछे. Nice.
And are there any driving modes or just nothing? Just
There are
drive.
two. So as of now you are on the sports mode,
Okay.
which is like standard.
Hmm.
Then
अच्छा sport mode is standard.
yeah,
वाह.
chill is eco.
अच्छा.
Okay, it's called chill, like literally.
Yeah.
Nice.
Is Mr. Musk expected in India anytime soon? नहीं ना? Never. नहीं if क्या नाम है उनका? Tim Cook could come then, I'm sure.
Bro, they made Bill Gates have chai at Nagpur.
That is
They're still
Mr.
Elon Musk, dude.
That is Mr. Ambani's power. Na?
That time
Dolly.
Dude, Ranjan, the one tap thing is really good.
हाँ.
Even if I'm leaving the brake now, there's so much confidence that is exactly reading
ये
the
रुकेगा.
distance. Yeah, see?
Lovely है.
This is great. I'm not touching the brake at all. It's like a video game. I'm only pressing my accelerator, that's it.
Blessing.
This is really good.
We have the gold standard of vehicles in which we are, and then we have the Indian standard of vehicles on the right side. A completely dilapidated Sumo. बेचारा कैसा चल रहा है गाड़ी? Look at the condition. Nice. But ना थोड़ा सा, all said and done, I still like a little more buttons. I still like a little more engagement on the dashboard.
So we keep it minimalistic.
Yeah.
We do not want you to reach out. If you
Yeah.
press this for 3 seconds, press and hold for 3 seconds,
तो वो change हो जाएगा.
then you scroll down. कितनी सारी चीजें मिल रही है आपको
Yeah.
on your fingertips.
What's bioweapon defense?
So that's like a purified mode, which is like defense mode air purifier, like bioweapon. So even if like poisonous air is there, some gas leak has happened, like Bhopal tragedy. So if you're sitting in this car, if you turn that on, you will be safe inside the car.
So basically, this is the car for Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a way.
So the side glasses are double gaze glass. So even the sun is there. Are you feeling heat from the side?
No, we are not. Not at all.
From the side also it will resist. So this is UV ray protective triple gaze glass. It resists UV rays, it resists infrared rays, and how is the noise cancellation inside the car?
Lovely, yeah.
Yeah, because I can't hear the annoying traffic right now. Because I know
Besides
there's going to be a
horn
lot
and
of
siren, nothing you would hear.
Super cool.
Dude, but you should try the one tap, the one pedal feature, Ranjan. It's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm surprised by how well it is. I'm not even touching the brake at all.
It's like
I'm just leaving my accelerator. That's it.
it's like a moped.
Kind of, yeah, or like a moped, yeah. But again, you still need brakes in a moped. This is like a video game.
Yeah.
I'm just dropping.
No, but अगर अभी if you compare say XCV9e
Yeah.
जिसका प्राइस करीब 35-36 lakhs है on road to something which is 61 lakhs, you would rather pay that 24 lakhs to, you would rather pay those 24 lakh rupees extra and get a Tesla यार. क्या बोलता है यश?
Yeah,
नहीं?
obviously, dude.
मतलब वो इतना incremental अभी लग नहीं रहा है ना compared to the features and all of that. And plus वो like वो जो बैटरी का जो safety है, the Space Rocket X वाला material, all those things, it's insane. Yeah.
Because I think the features, again, if you're taking BE6 for example, the features are novelty.
हाँ मतलब yeah मतलब they are a first copy of what we are seeing in this car.
Now, I just have a question. Sorry, Ranjan, interrupted. Will it detect that guy showing this hand on the right left side?
But it detecting the indicator the moment. the
Yeah,
guy is
because that doesn't has any indicator. His indicator is a shut.
भाई ये
I only knew by his
अभी
left
तो
hand.
ज़्यादा मतलब तेरे को और क्या चाहिए मतलब then you will say कि वो बंदा क्या खा रहा है गाड़ी के अंदर, is he going to spit or all that.
No, but that's what I wanted to talk about, bro. Literally हाथ बाहर के अब मैं क्या करूँ?
इतना तो genius कोई नहीं हो सकता भाई.
Hence that vehicle is giving indicator.
Yeah.
It is showing your indicator. So it understands human behavior also.
Superb,
Of
yeah.
camera and.
It's so intuitive, na? The word is intuitive, to be honest. It's literally like the car has eyes और वो खुद देख के तेरे को बता रहा है. Like how तू अपने आंखों से तेरे को जो दिख रहा है, इंडिकेटर वगैरह, the engine is. तो अभी तूने क्या किया? तूने सिर्फ एक्सीलरेटर छोड़ा ना?
That's it. But there is one thing, bro. I'm having a little bit of anxiety that is my brake lights coming on when I'm
Yes,
dropping
yes.
it. Is it right? Because I'm used to, showing my brake lights and holding the brake. So उसको पता है मैं रोक रहा हूँ.
Yes, yes.
So
That's
it's
by
turning
default.
on by default. So that's cool. Because मेरे को अभी भी I know it's going to happen. I know the tech is there, but I still have that 1% anxiety.
That is gone now.
हाँ वो धीरे-धीरे I think जितना तू चलाएगा.
But there is one thing, bro, that after driving this for years, switching back to a traditional two-pedal drive is going to be a bit weird.
अबे मतलब साइड में रोक फिर मेरे को चलाने दे. अगर तेरे को ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है, let me.
So you would not even feel body lean or body roll. Like this is a
Yeah, it's
quite
picking.
sharp
Yeah.
turn.
Yeah.
So in other cars, the body leans on one side while
Hmm.
you take turn.
Hmm.
So from ahead he will take a U-turn. While taking U-turn, you can just check that
U-turn
how is
लेना.
the turning radius.
यश U-turn लेना अपने को.
Amazed.
U-turn है ना?
यही लेन से आपको राइट से
अच्छा सीलिंग
टोल
के
से पहले
अच्छा,
U-turn है.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Then you will take a U-turn and stop it on the left, so another person can drive.
Nice. See, now again I've left the brake run, it's slowing automatically, it's not braking. It's
But
giving a slow...
सामने कुछ नहीं है तो why is it still applying the same amount of brake? Ideally तो अगर सामने कोई अभी
That's
दूर
the
तक
mechanism.
Okay.
Like you keep accelerating and you keep going.
There's a U-turn here,
Yeah.
right?
Superb. Loved it.
So if you want to
Chin bhai.
do that wherein like you do not even need to press when you leave your acceleration, it should not stop. You put it on cruise control.
Ah.
And it has traffic aware cruise control where the car can drop down to 0 and still it can take it up.
Ah.
How's the turning radius?
It's amazing, it's like a toy. Fuck.
Yash, 2009. This is where David Coulthard had done the Red Bull run, by the way.
Yeah?
This very
Oh, fuck.
spot. He had come and done donuts over here. I was standing on one of these dividers with the other crowd. Yeah, I get to drive.
No parking brake, just leave it.
Just remove your seat belt.
It goes into P.
Yes.
Oh, perfect, man.
Wow. Now I press this.
Just be mindful at the back.
And it has memory function
Yeah, what's up?
and all that.
Yeah, that you get it.
Back to where I belong.
यश मैं सीट पीछे ले रहा हूँ.
Yeah, take it, Bindas.
For a minute I thought that's my phone battery showing. Nice.
Shall I play some music?
A little bit. Otherwise वो यार वो आवाज इसमें आ जाएगा ना. And
Just
फिर वो copyright हो
Press the brake.
Brake is pressed. Leave it.
Leave and press it again. That's it.
Now we are in D. Okay.
Now we accelerate. So this is a patch where you can do acceleration before
Yeah.
the camera comes. Push.
Yeah, it's a spaceship, bro.
Yeah. So now it's braking on its own.
Yeah.
Wow.
I told you that's something which is very.
It's kick-ass.
Yeah.
You literally don't have to do anything.
I don't
Just-
believe. I can't even believe that it's happening, dude.
Wow.
The person inside does not even feel that you
Oh.
have to switch the lane.
You saw that happening?
Yep.
So I took a left. It again threw me back into this because there was a vehicle there. Lovely.
Do that again. Do that again.
There needs to be somebody right on that hill. So I'll go straight, and it's allowing me to because वो बहुत पीछे है अभी.
Just move.
Yeah.
Hello. जी sir.
Another small thing, if you can zoom in, it's actually showing you the speed limit. It's detecting
Yeah.
the speed limit.
पर ये जो है ना यश
Yes.
ये अभी
वो मैंने हरीश से बात
सबसे
कर ली है,
बेसिक
सर,
काम
चले
नहीं है.
आपका
जैसे
slot
अगर
भी
तू
add है.
I-20 N-Line भी देखेगा ना
Yeah.
उसमें भी आता है.
Still, I mean, still good.
Yeah.
But will your I-20 L9 brake when you
हाँ,
leave?
हरीश सर.
No.
Exactly,
I have to do all
exactly.
that by myself.
हरीश हाँ मैंने ऐड कर दिया है स्लॉट सर का. इमरान सर कंफर्म कर दिया है. ठीक है. So just
Wow.
conduct.
I think you can show this too.
VR में.
This is the coat hook, and it's super simple. It's so fluid.
Okay.
That's it.
Rusha.
Yeah. So अगर मैं इस साइड पे हूँ और मुझे वो कार का फंक्शन है कि if I want to go from the right to the left
Yeah.
and then it keeps sending me back into my lane because there's something on the left. So then
नीचे जाना है कहाँ से जाना है? It will not keep
ऊपर से.
giving you unnecessary push.
अच्छा.
Until unless it does not detect as a threat.
हाँ.
Because it is not a lidar sensor where like it keep pushing you.
अच्छा,
It is a real-time activity camera, which unless it does not feel it as a threat, it will not push you back.
Also, in terms of an IC, what would be the figures, horsepower figures wise?
0 to 100, 5.6.
5.6 range, okay. And would be around 400 horsepower then?
नहीं ज़्यादा होएगा.
नहीं bro.
अबे तेरा normal IC engine 0 to 100 is some 9-10 seconds at the best.
Depends on, but again.
हाँ, if you have a fast car, super
Yeah,
car, then
obviously,
whatever,
if you-
7, 8, 3, वो तो बहुत ही अलग दिल्ली हो गया यार. If you're talking about road cars, तो फिर
This is actually like a spaceship on wheels, huh?
but then why is the brake pedal there? Just for you to take off when you start. That's it. बाकी उसका कुछ काम. You take a ride from here?
But that's the best part I liked about the car, Ranjan.
अच्छा ये.
It's so perfect and so precise.
So अभी उसने इतना distance रखा हुआ है. This is the standard distance that it is maintaining, right?
You can take it forward.
So I take it forward and then I leave the brake. Okay.
तो उसका precision तो अच्छा है. I mean, तू
हाँ, it's
जैसे ही
keeping
ब्रेक
a
छोड़ रहा है
decent
तो एकदम
distance,
perfect हो रहा है.
It makes a heated map.
Heated map का क्या logic है?
So anyone you are about to collide
हाँ.
forms a heated map.
So the yellow is heated or the red is heated.
So unless the yellow orange does not turn into red, it is like a
Okay.
danger.
Okay.
But isn't the sensor getting too overstimulated seeing so many cars at once?
But yeah, it's not the sensor. That's why it does not get.
Yeah, it's the camera.
Because
it's
see the number of
चल turning radius देखते हैं. Not bad. It's like a small car.
yeah, exactly. It's like a toy, dude.
Yeah.
एकदम वो remote control car वाला feeling आ रहा है when you actually take a turn.
It's very similar to i20, मतलब because it's a smaller car, but I could do it.
हाँ सर, थोड़ा सा स्लो रखना है, इसके बाजू में लेना. थोड़ा और आगे लो. थोड़ा और आगे. या छोड़ दीजिए.
Okay.
Just tap on this P. Start. Leave everything.
Wow.
So cool. So cool.
टार्ज़न है. अजय देवगन देख.
Elon Musk का Tarzan है भाई. It's amazing.
Back seat में देखो.
Look at him. He's not even worried. He's so confident about the car.
He's used to it, dude.
Doing his phone. Oof.
Amazing.
Lovely.
So basically, you can give this car to your girlfriend or your sister or someone, right?
ए ऐसा मत कर यार. Come on.
Dude.
Lovely.
Just check the accuracy in this side.
Yeah.
Now we are good to spin. Press the brake. Right. Then you accelerate.
Superb.
काका को मजा है.
उसको बोला आगे का भी ट्रंक है.
Okay, next one.
See the people it's showing around the vehicle.
And you know the best part is वो पीछे के भी लोगों को दिखा रहा है. Even
Yeah.
if you're past it, it's still
Yeah.
showing you. Okay, that we park here.
Yeah.
Can you try the auto park again if
The-
it's possible?
क्या?
Take next to the cab. You should not run away. Next to it.
अच्छा. यो
बाजू.
यहाँ पे.
Yeah, आ गया touch it.
अच्छा पी आ गया.
Crazy.
Oh, it's parking. हाँ?
Is it following him? No.
No.
Is it actually following him?
No, it's going back here. देखना उसने, it's detected the spot now. It's just.
Nice. You know who got this auto parking feature first, Ranjan? Which brand?
Who?
Volvo.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think in around 2011 they did it.
Dude, look at the accuracy it's catching. Huh? I can see and it has that auto.
And does it have a follow me thing in this as well?
Follow me? Lights?
Yeah. No, the car follows you.
Why will the car follow you?
It does. Does it have it?
The car is capable that you call it as a smart summon. So if you
Achha.
have come out of the showroom and your car is in basement, so it will just come to you if you tap on summon.
Does it work?
As of now, it does a dumb summon.
Thank you.
Like car will go forward, backward from the. Can we do it now? Yeah. Once we out. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm showing you a.
Okay, so let's
see.
Amazing.
You should see it from here. ये feature है megaphone. So basically what you can do is you can sit inside the car and you can make an announcement and people outside will hear it. So I'm going to call Yash. Yash! Yash, where are you, Yash?
There you have to click here.
Here?
Megaphone again.
Ah, okay. Yash! Hi, Niket. Hello. Hi. What's up? Yash! What's up, bro? How are you? Do you like the Tesla now, finally? Yeah? Do you like it or no? Chalo, we'll now hand over the car. Somebody else wants to drive it. Yeah. So romance mode, this switches on and then you're getting warmish air from here.
Romance mode.
Romance mode. But please don't come close to me and all, okay? I'm married.
Does it dispense contraceptives as well or
No.
Then
It should have dispensed it 25 years back.
Yeah. I thought about the same thing.
Sketchpad. ये तेरे लिए भी कुछ है यश sketchpad. Whenever you're bored, you can draw. ADHD.
I want to see. This is something what I saw. Let me think. No.
Oof. See, everything changes. All the ambient lights and all that.
Oof, nice.
So now this is your car, basically.
There's one more thing I wanted to check. Can I?
Yeah.
There is Racing Buggy 2 unavailable. Now I want to buy a Tesla. I'll show you why I saw this. I've seen this online.
So smooth.
So you have to shoot it, is it?
Yeah.
It's like playing game.
Yeah. I think there's. Can you go back? I think you can. There is a game where you can control from the steering.
But careful.
How do I go back?
But pehle see some videos and come here. Wait.
Hey. Come on, bro.
Screw it.
1 second. Hey.
You're done.
हाँ मिल गया.
Thanks. Next time. Now he's your friend. You can come. Boombox. No, but I think we have got what we wanted.
Yeah, just still.
Hey, why are the mirror windows on there?
The one game which I wanted is not available. The crash thing.
That's life, bro. So they have Spotify, they have a game controller which you can do. Then you can go here, you can do all these things. I think the screen also rotates, no? There's some function like that.
Right.
Strike a pose. Yeah, the camera is here. अबे खींचेगा कौन? मैं
खींचता हूँ ना.
ये अबे करें? कैसा लगा?
I feel everything is good, top notch precision, everything tech is good except one thing, performance.
परफॉर्मेंस यार, पर where will you use? 200 किलोमीटर का वो रेंज है, मतलब 200 किलोमीटर का टॉप स्पीड है, तू कहाँ चलाने वाला? I mean barely there is any road.
In that thing, would you get an X47?
What is the comparison?
I'm just telling you.
Why
in terms
will-
of a sports bike and an X47, what did you go for? X47 has all the features.
Arey, but I won't buy an X47 because it's a ultraviolet whatever, right? It's an Indian brand or Tesla. The kind of material they have used, the kind of
But don't you want to
features
feel
it
that
has.
kick while driving, that performance?
But I got
that
the
roaring
kick.
engine?
और कितना kick चाहिए?
So you want just tech?
I want safety, which
Safety
they
is there.
have.
Obviously,
I
yeah,
want
safety
quality,
is there.
which they have. I think for me, if you're buying something which is 35-40 lakhs, BYD ले लिया, कुछ ऐसे ले लिया, put another 10-15
that
lakh
is there.
rupees and get the Tesla. It is worth the money. मेरे को
if
बहुत
you-
सही लगा. I had a very different opinion before, but now after I got this whole tour of what the car has and all that, I'm in love with that car.
And
I love
instead of putting another 20 lakhs, the cars are on lease too. So
हाँ, वो lease का भी option है, so you can do that also.
do that also.
But we don't know exactly lease that. You please come and check for yourself. But drive the car. They are allowing you to drive the car. Take that opportunity. Superb, yaar. Intuitive. That is the word. मतलब it's like a
you'll
human
be
brain.
very curious.
Yeah, it's a human brain inside the car. So, Thiru, what about you?
मुझे अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा ना? बहुत superb था. अच्छा लगा?
Like to be in Canada.
अच्छा लगा?
But
अच्छा the
if there's
shy
a car
guy.
I would pay this much money to buy, this is the car. My Karina car. If I
Awesome.
have money, I would.
Awesome. So if you like the video today, please
Like
comment, share and like. That's our
Subscribe,
videographer.
yeah.
He's shaved for the video. So please comment, share and like. And
Or is shave, but yeah.
for his shave at least. And for Zidane, don't forget that.